Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will use the resumable upload path because it's reliable for any file size and recovers from interruptions. First, enable the Drive API and create an OAuth 2. Zero client ID, then grant Drive. File scope. Once done, install the official client or prepare an HTTP library. Make an authenticated post to the Drive upload endpoint with upload type equals resumable and minimal JSON metadata. The response returns a unique upload URL. Save that URL. This is your only path for robust. You will send file bytes to the session URL using put requests and precise content range headers because the server needs offsets to reassemble the file. Start with a reasonable chunk size, 256 KB or larger, and maintain it. When the server replies 308, query the upload status to learn the next offset, then resume from there. Make sure to use exponential backoff on retries for 5xx errors, and set timeout logic so you don't double send partial chunks. This keeps uploads efficient and resumable. You will know the upload is complete when the final put returns 200 or 201 and includes the file resource. At that point, confirm size and MIME type. Once verified, set sharing and permissions as needed via the Drive API. If anything goes wrong, first check your OAuth scope and that the session URL still matches the one returned earlier, because it can expire. Also inspect your content range formatting and server responses. Fixing offsets or token renewal usually resolves stuck uploads quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.